have an example of a brand using AI in an interesting way on their website and some predictions for the future. The website is Business Insider, and I'll show you what I mean. Cool part is your briefing. For website content, we're used to having something at the top where you can listen to the article, but listening to something that was written to be read is boring. They were very intentional with this, and this is created to be listened to. You say your briefing, it's gonna load something on the right, and then it's gonna give you a little bit of a preview of each of the hot articles. You can push play to listen.
Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth ordered 800 military leaders to enforce stricter fitness and grooming standards, targeting obesity and banning permanent beard waivers.
Aside from the craziness of the actual news, the technology is pretty interesting. And if you're interested in the story, it gives you an option to dive deeper. The only thing that it's missing is once you click dive deeper, then it just goes into a reading experience, and that really gets you out of what you were experiencing before. But I imagine they'll be making more podcasty versions of their articles in the future. Which leads me to my prediction. So there's a really cool consumer-facing app called Hux AI. And it was made by the folks from Google Notebook LM. And it has features that are really similar to this, where it'll give you news briefings. But within that news briefing, you can then dig deeper, and then it'll be a podcast about that news. And then you can even interact with it and ask questions about the content, and then it'll answer it. It's pretty amazing. And my prediction is down the line, that type of user interaction with the content is gonna be a user expectation. Let me know what you guys think. I've heard some people get kind of freaked out that the Business Insider news is talking to them, but I think it's cool.